Erica hair is all natural. I just took her weave out and I am about to cut these ends. Erica, how long have you been wearing your weave?
5, 6 years.
And how long have you been using TSD Hair Extensions?
5, 6 years, no other extensions.
And how much do you love TSD Hair Extensions?
I love them the most. They're the best.
Yes. And the quality is amazing. That's why Erica is able to use the same hair over and over again. And she may buy hair maybe every 2 years. She'll buy a pack here, a pack there, just to add to her collection. But she is 100% natural, no chemicals. The reason why Erica put a weave in her hair is because Erica decided that she wanted a weave. I personally thought it was a great protective hairstyle to grow her hair out from being relaxed to now natural. And look how much her hair has grown. I just trim the ends, sometimes cut a little bit more when I take the weave out, because I personally like to make sure that my client's hair is completely healthy, 100% healthy. It's all about my clients having healthy hair than no hair. You see how long this bang is now? Before we had none of this. So I'm just showing you guys the process of me trimming her hair, just maintaining it and keeping it healthy.